Hello everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basic. In today's episode, I'll be guiding you through how to sign up for HODL. So let's begin. Since the process is quite easy, download the HODL application on your iPhone or any other Android devices you have and launch it open. Once you come across this application interface, select whether you'd like to sign up with a free plan or premium and tap on Start. Select which asset classes are you interested in and tap Finish. You will now end up in this dashboard. Tap on the human icon located at the bottom right hand corner and tap on Account at the top right. You can sign in or sign up choosing from the options on the screen. If you already have an account, tap on Login and enter your correct credentials to sign into your account. If you are new to the platform and you'd like to sign up, simply select one of the sign up with email, Apple or Google option. If you want to quickly sign up, select either Apple or Google option. To sign up with email, tap on sign up with email option at the top. Now, enter a valid email address in the sign up form. On the next field, type in your name, create a password for your account and tap on next at the top right hand corner. You will now need to verify your email. Check your email inbox where you'll receive a 6-digit verification code. If you don't find it in your inbox, make sure to use the spam folder as well. Open up the email that you received and copy the verification code in it. Paste it in inside the application and tap next. You have now successfully created an account for HODL. You can now go ahead and enter the user information such as creating your username and other details as well. And there you have successfully signed up for HODL. That is how it is easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again with the next video. Goodbye till then.